Hi, this is Pam Willemse, and we're going to be looking at how to insert a chart onto our spreadsheet. We're going to start by going up here to Insert, and we're going to select our own chart. Now a 2D chart is just fine for the exam, so we're going to select that. You'll notice what is brought up here is a blank box. The reason we want the blank box is because we're going to design our own chart with our information that we specifically need. You can see when we went onto there that Chart Tools at the top here was highlighted. We're going to click on Design. Over here is Select Data. We're going to click on Select Data. Now we're going here to the legend entry. The legend entry is what's going to lie on our y-axis, which is the axis down here lying on the bottom. And what we're needing, we're going to push Add. What we're needing is the profit. We want to show the profit that the restaurants have made. So we're going to type in here profit. We're going to click this little box below and we're going to highlight the profit that was made for all the restaurants. I'm going to click here again and go OK. Right, so what's shown now is the profit for each of the restaurants on a chart on the y-axis. However, the y-axis is showing numbers 1 through 7, the amount of restaurants we have, but not the names of the restaurants. So in order to get the names of the restaurants, we're going to go here where it says horizontal, and we're going to go Edit. We're going to click on that little box there. We're going to highlight or select all our restaurant names. Click on the box again and go OK and OK. So doing it that way, what it's done is it's given us the restaurant names that we need for to show the profit that each of them have made on the y-axis. On the x-axis we have the profit showing. Now what we'll need to do is go to this little plus box here. We can see that we can title our axes. So this one here, I'm going to get rid of that and put profit here. On the bottom we're going to put restaurants. And we can now title our chart, and we'll call this Restaurant Profit. Okay, and that's our chart now inserted and completed for the test. Now what a lot of the tests are asking us to do is to move the chart onto another sheet. We're going to do that by keeping our chart just as it is here. We're going to go back into Design, and we'll see over here it says Move Chart Location. We're going to click onto there. On the top here where it says New Sheet, we're going to put in the title of our chart, which is Restaurant Profit. And where do we want to place it? I'm going to go to this little down bar, and on my spreadsheet I've got sheet 3. We want to put this in sheet 3. OK. And there it is. It appears in sheet 3. Now remember, when you're doing your test, for each move you make, to go to File and Save As, and save it into the folder that you've created on the desktop of your tutor's laptop. Okay. For some tests, they ask us to create a PowerPoint as another task, and a part of the PowerPoint they ask us to insert the chart from the spreadsheet onto the presentation. All you need to do for that is copy and paste. So you will right click, copy your chart here, go to your PowerPoint presentation, right click and paste, and there is your bar chart in your PowerPoint presentation.